Heading to Corona today. I'm gonna do a concrete removal on a loader. Got some concrete all over it inside. Gonna meet my son there. He's going to be working on it. I'm just there to film some of it. Bring that thing back to life, get it back out on rent. I'll get you some before and afters. Talk to you soon. All right, again, a close up. It's been about 7-10 minutes right now, and it's starting to loosen up the concrete off the side of this. Still got a ways to go. It's going to loosen it up, but it's starting to break it down. Bumped up. It's actually turning into mush. You see it all starting to break down. Okay, all clean and restored. Got all the concrete off the side of the bucket. And you can see now it's all shiny after we restored it.